So in that world where you were, I'm going to say the pre-orchestration world, where you were looking at that visibility problem, were you also trying to automate things in that world? Because that was back in the high peaks of RPA days and those times. What was the experience of automating into the business at that time?
So of course we were trying to automate.
Yeah.
Anyone can relate. In a firm such as TMF, we're under pressure to be more efficient, to be better, to deliver better quality. And of course, a way to do that is automation. The question is, how are you going to automate something that is not consistent? If you try to do it, which is in a way what we tried to do at the beginning, we tried to automate inconsistent processes, which meant that sometimes we spent more money on automating a process than the actual saving that we received from it. And it wasn't all bad.
No.
Because we learned a lot.
Yeah.
But we also learned that we needed to go back to basics, get a process standard first, and then reap the benefits of an automation depending on the technology that you're using for that automation.